Hey Double Dip babes! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to color block with dip powder. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the dip liquids, which is the dip base, activator, dip top coat, and I'm also going to be using the cuticle oil. The colors I'm going to be using today are Grenadine, Sweet and Twisted, Fairy Green, Mystic Forest, Strawberry Mousse, I also pulled out my soft white, but I ended up not using that for this tutorial. I have already prepped my natural nails and then applied a peel off base coat for easy removal. If you would like to know how to properly prep your nails for dip powder application, click the link right here. I'm going to start by taking number 2, which is the dip base, and I'm going to apply a thin even layer to my entire nail. While the dip base is still wet, I'm going to dip my nail at an angle into the dip powder. I'm going to tap away the excess dip powder and then dip my nail into the next color. I'm going to repeat the same step for all of my other nails. Keep in mind that there is a slight contamination of colors when doing this method for color blocking. So if you would like to completely reduce that risk of contamination, definitely pour your dip powder into a different container for this manicure. For me, I made sure to tap away the excess dip powder very well before dipping into the next color. I did not notice any contamination within my manicure, but there is still a risk. Because this is a fast drying dip powder system, you do have to work very quickly, otherwise the color will not stick to your nails. After all of the nails are dry, I'm going to take the fluffy nail brush and dust away the excess dip powder. I'm going to be adding a second layer of dip powder to all of my nails. For the second layer of dip powder, you want to make sure to only dip your nail into the powder to your previous color line. This will give you a very crisp line. After the nails are dry, I'm going to dust away the excess dip powder again with the fluffy nail brush. Then I'm going to take the activator, which is number 3, and I'm going to apply a very generous layer to all of my nails. Activator is a very important step because it allows your layers of dip powder to fully dry. Then I'm going to take my hand file and I'm going to be reshaping the edges of my nails. I'm also going to be filing over the surface of my nails to get a very smooth manicure. Because this dip powder goes on so smoothly, you really don't have to file over the surface of your nails that much. If you would like, you can just use a buffing block to smooth the surface of your nails. After all of the nails are shaped and filed and I've removed the dust, I'm going to take my dip top coat, which is number 4, and I'm going to be applying a thin, even layer to all of my nails. When applying your dip top coat, you want to make sure to apply a thin layer. This will allow your nail to dry quickly and evenly. After the first layer is completely dry, I'm going to be applying a second layer of dip top coat. Then once all of my nails are fully dry, I'm going to take the cuticle oil and I'm going to apply this to my cuticles. After doing your nails, it is very important to rehydrate your cuticles as well as your skin. After the cuticle oil is applied, here are the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more videos, you can click the boxes and subscribe here to see more from Double Dip. You can also subscribe to my personal nail channel by clicking the circle here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!